Get ready for your flattest abs. Today we have Blogilates creator Cassey Ho here to take us through a Pilates intense interval training workout.
That's right, this is straight from my PIIT 28 program. We're fusing together Pilates and HIIT training, and you are gonna be a sweaty mess. Okay guys, we've got 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. I want you to hit your maximal effort for those 45 seconds.
Will do.
You promise me?
Yes.
Okay, our first move is mountain climbers. Let's go ahead and get down on our mat, hand underneath the shoulders. You're gonna draw those knees into your chest. Let's go. The 45 seconds begins now.
Oh boy.
Whew. It's gonna be intense, it's gonna be good. But that's why you guys are here, because you love working out.
Oh yeah.
And you know what? We like feeling good. Oh, come on, draw
We
those
like
knees
tight
in.
abs, Cassey.
You do?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Well, your abs are looking good already. Come on, girls, keep going. Got 25 seconds. Like I said, it's only 45 seconds, so I want you to push to your max, because when those 15 seconds come, you deserve that rest, and I want you to be tired a little bit at that point.
We're gonna need it.
You're gonna need it. You got 10 seconds. Draw them in. Come on, real close. Breathing.
My God.
5, 4, 3, 2, and
Oh my God.
Okay. And that was just the
That's
first
like a
move.
full body workout right there.
Yeah, we have to
Yeah.
Okay, our next move is crisscross. So this is where the Pilates comes in. Want you lying down on your back, both hands behind the nape of the neck, elbows wide, lift up, knees in tabletop. Bring the opposite shoulder to the opposite knee. Good, and you want to really extend that leg, pointing your toes, really twisting your abs and your obliques. And breathe, and breathe.
Oh yeah.
So this is where the ab workout is coming in. I mean, mountain climbers was too, but see, you got the fat burning, the muscle toning, all in one. Whew. 20 seconds, let's go. How you girls feeling?
I love how it really gets the lower abs because of that leg extension.
Yes.
Oh baby.
Oh baby, that's right. Woo, woo. Come on. And 10 seconds, come on guys. You got it. Whew. You've got 5 more seconds. And twist. It's
amazing.
3,
45
2,
seconds.
1, and done. Okay.
Wow.
Up we go. Our next move, guys, wide high knees. So y'all know regular high knees going right here, but I want you to take it wide. So we're out here. Okay, it's gonna look a little weird, but it works. Here we go. 45 seconds, go. Wide high knees. Just like this. Real
that
oblique. Oh yeah, get that oblique. You got it. Come on. Woo. Abs in tight. Keeping that chest nice and proud. Shoulders away from your ears. Woo. Let's go. Come on, get it higher. Higher. We got it.
Okay, she caught me.
20 seconds, let's go. Nice. Bring it up. Breathe.
This is a cardio move for sure.
Oh, this is a cardio move for sure.
God.
Come on,
Everything.
10 seconds. Breathe, breathe. You guys having fun at home? Yes, you are. 4, 2, and 1. Woo!
Oh my God.
Okay. Okay.
High
We're
intensity,
back down.
High intensity.
Triple crunch, okay? So you learn to appreciate these ones on the mat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, triple crunch, y'all. Knees up to the ceiling, feet flat. You're going to lift up a 1, a 2, a 3, and down. Whew. Breathe. 2, 3, and down. Making sure your elbows are wide. You're not pulling with your neck. You're not pulling with anything but your abs, okay, and your chest.
That last one is so hard to get up.
Uh-huh.
Like, ah!
Exactly, and that's when the magic's happening, right here. Squeeze and down. Oh, breathe. How you doing? Good?
I love this one.
Good. I love that you love it. You've got 10
Katie.
seconds. You guys look real good. Keep going, and lift. 2, 3, let's squeeze in one more here. 3, 2, hold it, and down. Okay, flipping over, y'all. We've got plank jacks. Bringing in that cardio element once more. Continue the fat burning. Hands underneath your shoulders. Belly button tucked, tailbone in. You're going to plank jack it out just like so, okay? Let's go. And if you want to modify, all you're going to do is step out 1 foot at a time. Now the thing here, guys, don't have your butt in the air. Don't put it down like this.
Right.
Make sure you are in that plank. And make sure that your shoulder is right over your wrist. This is important for alignment and safety and those abs.
Oh yeah. And you can go from your elbows if your wrists are tight, right?
Absolutely, you can totally do that. You've got 15 seconds.
It's a full body
Oh my
workout.
gosh, I thought it was over.
No, it's not over. Not yet, Anna.
Come on.
You know what? It's never over.
Come on, Anna.
It's life. We're training for life.
That's right.
And done. Whew, okay.
Love it. Wow, what a
Okay.
move.
What a move. Well, wait till we do the next one. This one's called seated windmills. We are down on our little booty. Elbows right underneath your shoulders, okay? Knees and tabletop. Lift it up. And we're simply gonna windmill to the side. Oh,
What?
that's right.
Takes a lot of control.
Lots of control. See, we're blending together those cardio elements along with the slower pace control. Really switches up everything, makes it pretty interesting.
Wow, I love this for my obliques. I really
Yes.
feel it.
Yes, and make sure
Lovely.
you guys are dropping your shoulders away from your ears. You don't want to sink in. Keep your back tall. Good, you got 15 seconds. Nice and slow. And we got one more for round one.
Went by quick.
Round one. Yep.
And you normally do 3 rounds, right, for a full workout?
We do 4 rounds for an
4
entire
rounds.
20-minute and 40-second workout.
Oh boy.
Oh yes. Oh wait, we should stop. I almost forgot. I was having so much fun. Okay, last move in round one. We have our side lunge hops. Okay?
Okay.
So make sure when you guys go down right here, that leg stays straight. Okay. Chest stays proud. Let's go. And down, lift. And you want to try to touch the mat and jump super duper high. Whew. Very good. Whew. Lift. Stretch out that leg.
Yeah, booty.
Oh yeah, hello booty. And your inner thighs as that leg stretches out. You got 20 seconds. Come now.
Feeling
Feels
it.
almost there.
Love it.
Loving it. Let's
Almost
go.
there.
Whew. Hey, we're having a good time. I love working out with my friends.
Oh, yeah.
Makes it a lot better.
We love working out with you.
Yay. You got 5 seconds. Come on. Reach lower. And down. Last one. Woo! Hey,
Oh,
you did
my
that.
goodness.
Good job. Okay, guys.
Oh, God.
We have another 3 to go. So replay this video 3 more times. You'll get in your full 28-minute and 40-second workout from PIIT 28. All right, thank you guys.
Incredible.